Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the previous class, we had studied about meaning and uses of vital statistics and the concept of measurement of population. So in today's video, we will be studying about different measures of fertility. First, let us define fertility. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of a childbearing age. This is the ability to conceive and bear children. In other words, it is the natural capability to produce offspring. So, fertility means it is the births occurring to women in their childbearing age group. Here, childbearing age group is between 15 to 49 years, which is also called as germination period. Next definition, fecundity. Fecundity refers to the capacity of a woman to bear children. It is the maximum fertility level that can be attained. So, fecundity means potential for reproduction. That is the maximum number of children that she can give birth. In olden days, one woman has to give birth to more than 5 or 6 or more children. But nowadays, fecundity rate is reduced. That is maximum of 2 to 3 children. Next concept, measures of fertility. The different measures of fertility are: first one, crude birth rate CBR, general fertility rate GFR, age specific fertility rate ASFR, and total fertility rate TFR. So the first measure, crude birth rate, which is CBR. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 individuals in a year, which means here you are finding the average number of children born to an individual. Here you are finding the fertility rate for 1000 individual. The ratio is calculated for 1000 individual. That is the reason why we are multiplying the formula by 1000. So the formula is given as CBR equal to number of live births in a year divided by average population in the year, which is multiplied by 1000. You are finding the birth rate for 1000 individual. In the numerator, we will consider the birth rate, which is B, divided by the average population, which is denoted as capital letter P, and multiply this by 1000. CBR is used to measure the growth of a population, and this is the simplest method of measuring fertility. Let us study about its merits and demerits. So merits, first point, it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. So this is the simplest method of finding the fertility rate. Second one, it does not need detailed information for computation. So with the help of birth and the population rate, you can estimate CBR. So it does not need the detailed information. Based on birth and the population rate, we can compute CBR. Third one, it indicates the rate of growth of population due to live births. As a new birth occurs, the population rate will increase. So you can find the growth of the population. Demerits. First point, it ignores the age and sex composition of the population. In CBR, our main intention is to find the growth of the population. So in order to find the CBR, birth and population rate are sufficient. Therefore, it ignores the age and the sex composition of the population. Second one, it takes both men and women population into consideration. So this is the only method which considers both men and women population into consideration. Third one, it cannot be used to compare birth rates of two or more population. So this is the only method where you are finding the birth rate of a single population. Let us implement this concept in the given examples. First example, the average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. In the year, 6,000 live births occurred in the town. Find the CBR. Solution. First copy the given values. Here the population is given as 1,50,000, which is denoted as capital letter P. So capital letter P equal to 1,50,000. Birth rate is given B equal to 6,000. First write the formula CBR equal to B divided by P, which is multiplied by 1000. That is equal to 6,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 1000, which is equal to 40. There were 40 births per 1000 individuals. In the second example, in a year, the average population of a town was 1,83,450. The number of live births occurred in that year in the town was 5,400. Find the CBR. Solution. First write the given values. Given population rate is given, so P equal to 1,83,450. Birth rate is given, B equal to 5,400. Write the formula CBR equal to B by P multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 5,400 divided by 1,83,450 into 1000. That is equal to 29.44. In the third example, in a given year, the CBR for a population of 2 lakhs is 40. Find the number of births. Solution. Given here CBR value is given. So for a population of 2 lakh, its CBR is given as 40. So CBR equal to 40 and the population P equal to 2 lakh. Your question is to find the number of births. You should find B value. Again, CBR equal to B divided by P multiplied by 1000. So substitute for CBR, the value is given as 40. So 40 equal to B divided by 2 lakh into 1000. After that, cross multiply and simplify and get the final answer. So total number of births equal to 8,000. In the next example, from the following data, calculate the crude birth rate. A set of values are given in this question. Your question is to find CBR. Now, in order to find the CBR, as we know that CBR equal to B divided by P multiplied by 1000. Here in the numerator, you should consider the birth rate. Here, the birth rate is given. Add all the values, add all the birth values. You will get the total of that, which is 11,413. Add the population, add male population, you will get its total. Add female population and you will get its total. Male population is 1,79,000 and female population is 1,74,000. After that, in order to substitute in the formula, substitute for B, which is 11,413 divided by, here you should consider the total population. Population includes both male and female. So add both the totals. Add 1,79,000 and 1,74,000 in the denominator, and that total will be considered in the denominator. So 11,413 divided by, add both the total values and write that value in the denominator and multiply it by 1000. Substitute, simplify, and you will get the final answer, which is 32.33. One more example. Calculate CBR for the following data. Again, the data is given. The problem is similar to the previous question. Add all the birth rate, add the population. In the solution part, write the formula CBR equal to B by P, which is multiplied by 1000. Add total number of live births, copy that value in the numerator, divide it by the total population in the denominator, multiply it by 1000, and you will get the answer, which is 25.